Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Quick one here. Yesterday we saw a sharp U-turn up here. My preference is still that here the yellow count is working out. To really confirm now a bullish breakout from here, I mean, I really, I want to see the 5 waves complete, and I wanted to reach and break 94 cents or 95 cents. Yeah, we haven't done that yet. Until at least the 95 cents aren't broken, my focus is further on the downside. We are, in my opinion, here in a very rare WXYXZ pattern where the wave Z consists of an ABC, an expanded flat. The problem is that this move to the upside does not look impulsive. Well, it's not impulsive anyway. You could make it work possibly here as a diagonal pattern, but again, these are very, or let's say they are less reliable. And to confirm such a diagonal pattern, I would want to see, the 5 waves complete, or at least the 95 cent level broken. If this really is here, this ABC, then I think in the C wave, we're now doing a 1-2 setup. So looking at the wave C as a 5 wave move, what really could be the case is that we're doing here the wave 1. This is the 2, and the next one would be quite a strong sell-off to the downside. This can still push higher. But again, as long as we don't really break the 95 cent level, and as long as we don't see the 5 waves, I can't really confirm that we are going to be in this breakout, and I can't confirm that the wave 2 here was already in. So at the moment, my focus is on wave 2 is still going to be made. We are still in the wave 2. We need one more low here in the green area, basically sort of around 60 to 65 cents to get that done. Yeah. The problem is this choppy market, this choppy price action doesn't really look very bullish. Again, we haven't broken above the wave X high yet. That would be important. And overall, what is important as well is that this makes the impression at the moment of some kind of a, let's call it an ascending wedge pattern, which is a rather bearish pattern, or at least it is a pattern where you normally would expect a breakout to the downside. So we could be moving in this pattern for a little while before we come down. Yeah, important in the short term would be to stay, to guarantee, or let's say to give the yellow count more substance, would be to hold the wave B high, so not to break above that. That would be 88 cents. On the flip side, of course, the bullish pattern would require a breakout above the wave B high. That would already be an indicator that we are breaking out of this wedge to the upside, that we might still be in the blue count here, but I can't really confirm it until we see the 5 waves. And still, as long as we stay below 95 cents, it doesn't have a lot of reliability anyway, even if we break above the wave B high. So for me, to let the yellow wave count play out, ideally we stay below the wave B high, so below 88 cents. We need to be aware that we are here in this ascending wedge pattern, which is not a pattern that would give me a lot of bullish confidence. It's more a pattern where you would expect a reversal to the downside in a C wave. And yeah, until we see a breakout here, we are in the pattern, and that can guide us here a little bit higher. As you can see, we are in a range. The pattern clearly defines this range, and the breakout of the pattern can give us the next clue about where we are heading. But I gave you the key levels. Confirmation for a breakout to the downside would of course be breaking below the trend line here, but also breaking below the previous swing low at 77.5 cents. So yeah, my preference would be on lower. Won't rule out higher, but it is just not very reliable at this stage. Okay, that's a quick update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.